Yeah, repositioning. We're here at Roosevelt Inlet. Beautiful place. We're gonna go see if there's any reals. They're Spanish coins, and they found some down here before. See how the beach is. I don't know if it's washed away or not, but we'll see. Awful low number. Yeah, there's a lot of targets here. Sand flea's still here. Look at them go. Oh, there it is. Piece of wire. There's the little sand flea. There he is. Put him over there. Come on. Get him. There he goes. He's going to bury himself in now. And he's back home. Let's see what we got today. Hey, got me a sinker. All right. Oh, it's a nice one. I'll use it. Oh, time to fill in the hole. 6 foot, so that's 7 or 8 foot of sand missing. Amazing. It's like an old navigation buoy. Been buried here for a long, long time. Yeah. Yep. Well, I think it's time to move on. Lots of rocks here with magnetic properties. If they found reals here, good for them.
Lewes Beach is a swimming beach with no surf, but for 5 days it had waves for the first time, coming right up into the beach. Arriving at the beach, Public Works had just removed 1.5 inches of wind-blown sand from the parking lot.
Go again. Here we go again. Lewes Beach. Gonna check out, see what we can find. I got pounded by the storm. Look at all this marine life here. Amazing. All the way down. Wow. Little horseshoe crabs. Oh. Man, that is an old aluminum can. Yep, everything that was out there, it got pushed in. Here's a course. Got something right here. Let's see if it moves with the... Yeah, it's moving with that. It's probably a fish hook in there. Let's see what we got here. Yep, I'm feeling a fish hook. I'm feeling a fishing line. Oh, there's a little weight. That's probably what I'm getting. Put that up there. Put this away. Let's see what else we got. Looks like skate eggs. Wow. They're running through the cartilage. Seagulls obviously were interested in it. Probably eating grass shrimp and stuff out of it. Ugh. Okay, got another one. Oh, it's an aluminum can bottom. Look at that. Man, gotta come back with a bag, a big bag, and get all this stuff. Alright, let's see what we got here. Down here. Oh, goody. Summer Shady. Never heard of that brand. Oh well. Pair of glasses. Rubber. That up there. There's those red worms. Little. Jeez. Another pair of glasses. Everything that was at the bottom started moving on up. Oh, look at this. Somebody's straddled. What the heck that is. Like mudlark in here. Heard something. 51. That's an odd signal. Let's see if it's something on the surface. Nope, not on the surface. Somewhere right there. I moved it. I think that's it. Let's see. Nope. Shiny, but not it. They're in there. Oh, there it is. Look at that. Piece of fishing lure. Don't know what that is. Looks like somebody's boat light in the front, the bow light, green and red. Oh, look at this stuff. Back there. There's only so much you can do. Yeah, there we go. Okay, stay on your back. Rest in peace. Oh, he's a cute little one. Big piece of metal. Says 80, huh? Yeah, let's use the pinpointer. That says it's there. Says it's right there. I got in the first scoop. That's nice stuff. There. Get that video. Oh, I think I found it. Kona Brewing Company. Long way from Hawaii. Might as well just dig it. Out in the first scoop. Looks like something right there. A quota. Okay, follow up on Roosevelt Inlet and Lewes Beach. Here is the weight I found on the inlet. This is the one I found on Lewes Beach with the fishing line wrapped around vegetation. This thing seems to be granite or something like that, but it's got metal properties inside it. I'm not exactly sure what it's got. Okay. Of course, you always find pieces of metal, you know. You have the bottle caps and stuff. And the only thing I found of value was a quarter.